gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, shameless plug. And for those of you who aren't new here and are returning to my channel, thanks again for all the continued support. I really do appreciate it. Today we have something a little bit different. I've picked up this box. I don't know what's inside of it. It's going to be a nifty unboxing, but from a company called Vegan Cut, where it's all about vegan snacks. Their label, their logo here on the side of each box, and then atop just the standard shipping label, which I've already torn off. So I did already break the seal. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. Okay, so it is quite a bit bigger box than I was expecting. I was thinking there's only going to be like 3 or 4 things in here, but I can see 3 things off the top just sitting right there. We do have the little insert. I'm not going to read this now. I don't know if it has the product descriptions, but I feel like that sort of spoils the surprise. So first of all, we have this one here, which is Neat Cinnamon Pecan Pancakes. Oats, cinnamon, and pecan. The vegan meat egg is in the mix. Vegan, egg-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO baking mix. Packaging looks like this. From the Meat brand. 8 servings per container. Calories 150. 29 carbs. Quite a bit of carbs. Dietary fibers 1, simple sugars 1, protein 2. Ooh, kind of a lot of protein. That actually sounds really good though. I'm actually quite surprised and can't wait to try that one out. This little one that's rolling around. This one is the Enjoy Life, Eat Freely, Allergy Friendly Chocolate Protein Bites in Dark Raspberry. Ooh, that sounds fun. 8 grams of plant-based protein per pack. It's non-GMO, 4 bites per pack. So that's nice. They're already telling how many you're gonna get in here. Palm oil free. Are free from gluten, and it does a little ... wheat, soy, mustard, peanuts, egg, fish. Oh, what's going on? Tree nuts, sesame, shellfish, dairy, sulfites, crustaceans. I might say this wrong. Casein, C-A-S-E-I-N, and gluten. This is gonna be the 4 pieces, so 1 package. Calories 220, calories from fat 120, total fat 14 grams, carbs 22, so still pretty high on the carb list. Dietary fiber is 4, so much higher, but your sugars are also 14, but your protein is 8. So, give and take, I would say those two are probably about equal. Ooh, here we go. Wow, this actually came with a lot of stuff. Look at that. I just uncovered the top 3 and there's still more down here at the bottom. All right, so this one is Alter Eco. It's organic, enlightened indulgence. Dark chocolate coconut clusters, seeds, and salt. Crunchy salted pumpkin and sunflower seeds join the dark chocolate toasted coconut party. Actually sounds pretty good. Free with no artificial flavors. Indulge in enlightened, light, crisp, toasted coconut flakes that explode with deliciousness at a thick layer of deep, dark, 70% Ecuadorian chocolate, roasty, toasty, crisp pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Sprinkle of hand-harvested French sea salt for good measure. When they come together, it's like magic. Or alchemy. Or just really rich and really yummy and a really great idea. I love their advertising. I would so buy from them again just for their advertising. That's great. Or their product descriptions. That's fantastic. We invented these melt in your mouth tender crisp clusters because we love chocolate and coconut and we wanted something that we could nibble on all day without feeling remotely guilty. They're made with 100% good, clean, nourishing stuff. Organic, fair trade coconut and chocolate from co-ops committed to the regenerative agriculture. Everything organic, vegan, gluten-free, paleo-friendly, farmer-friendly, and non-GMO. We believe the old cliche is actually true, that we are what we eat. So let's all be mindfully delicious. Ooh, I like that. Mindfully delicious. This contains about 3 servings. Calories 160, calories from fat 120, total fat 13 grams, sodium 150, carbs 9, so much better, and protein 2. 4 from the box. We'll have, ooh, what's this little pouch guy? Zelly. Organic fruit gel, no added sugar. Squeeze with Aloha. Blueberry, great, excellent source of vitamin D and antioxidants, vitamins A and C. It's Aloha-licious. A surprise your mouth with every squeeze. No added sugar, real fruit, gluten-free, and vegan. Plant power. Plant makes gel. This ancient plant grows in East Asia and works with plant-based gelatin that has been used for medicinal herb for over 1,000 years. Chill out. Tastes best cold. Refrigeration not required. Serving size is a pouch. Calories 50, carbs 13. Total sugar 12, protein 1. That would be interesting. I think my little ones would enjoy it. I like this little tube. All right, Yellow Bird sauce. Serrano condiment made in Texas, 2.2 ounces. Yeehaw. There you go. I like the little, like, squeeze tube dropper. Servings, 5 servings, serving size 1 tablespoon, not per serving, 5 calories, cholesterol 0, carbs 1, that's not bad, protein 0. Ingredients: serrano peppers, cucumbers, organic carrots, onions, organic distilled vinegar, garlic, organic cane sugar, salt, lime juice concentrate, non-GMO, low sodium, vegan, and gluten-free. Very nice. I am thoroughly impressed with this box so far, guys. All right. Let's see what else we have in store, as it looks like we still have a ton to go over. Looks interesting. It reminds me of where I'm from. Raisins are a big thing, so when you go to like the fair or any sort of craft show, they always have the raisins out, and you get little boxes of raisins as samples, and this really reminds me of that, without even seeing what it is. So that was my first thought. Reed's peanut butter ginger candy. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Peanut butter ginger, all natural peanut butter chewy ginger candy. Oh, it's chewy. Oh, ginger chews. Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. All right. So here's what the package looks like. Sugar, peanut butter, tapioca starch, ginger. Top quality, good taste. Straightforward. I like it. Serving size is 1 piece. So container, there's a minimum of 9 servings. Calories is 26. Carbs is 6. Protein 0. I was hoping I could smell it through the packaging, but I can't. Oh, too bad. Gum, I'm guessing? No, mint. Aspartame free, tangerine tango, pure mint. You are mints. These are mints. Percent. Oh, good God, I can't say this. Xylitol, XY, LITOL. It has a picture of a tooth, so I'm guessing it means it's good for your teeth. Gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, Swiss-made, and nut and peanut-free. Kick aspartame, live pure. Company.com. Servings per container, 20, so you get quite a bit. Calories per serving is going to be 3. Carbs 1.1. Nice. Protein 0. Straightforward. Dang, I can't smell that one through the packaging either. Darn. I haven't seen these products before, so I'm curious now to maybe start shopping at other stores, or taking maybe just a closer look at products I may have passed by, not knowing that they were vegan. Still have quite a bit to go in here, so we get a lot for the money, I feel like. This is really cool. All right, so next up, we're gonna have this one, which is, man, these names are getting to me. Vicia, VICIA. Conquer your day. Chocolate-coated vegan energy bar and cafe mocha. It's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO. That's what it looks like. Here is the act of conquering. They do have their website here. No real product description. Oh, okay. Well, that's something. Well, I'm glad they sent it now because it expires in a month. So, all right. Serving size is 1 bar. Servings per container 1. Calories 220. Fat 80. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 95. Total carbs 27. Sugars 13. Protein 9. Protein 9? That's good. I think that's the highest protein so far, if I'm not mistaken. So, anyway, here we go. Oh, I can smell the chocolate there. It smells really good. Brand I have seen before in the stores. I actually, I see it a lot at the, what they call the impulse buys, you know, the little stands at the register. And this one's called Justin's. It's 2 dark chocolate cashew butter cups. They are organic. Justin's cashew butter, the non-GMO, USDA organic, Rainforest Alliance certified, orangutan-friendly palm oil. I like this little product disclaimer. Terms of consumption. By eating these, the 2 parties enter a binding agreement with the following terms. Justin is not responsible for any obsessive thinking about cashews, cashew butter, or cashew-related treats. Furthermore, Justin is absolved of all liability surrounding cup cravings hereinafter. It just goes on. This is great. He's hereinafter, hereto, and henceforth, ipso facto and hominum, court adjourned, with a little signature at the end. That's really cute, guys. I like that a lot. I like the little witty sense of humor. It really goes far. So again, a serving size is 1 whole pack, so both cups. Calories 220, total fat 15 grams, cholesterol 0, sodium 100, total carbs 21, fiber 1, total sugars 12, protein 3. So that's good. But, oh, I'd really be down to give these a go. I keep making faces with the carbs is because I do try to live low carb as well. So it does limit a lot of options, or I have to be more mindful if I'm going to indulge here than I do sparingly elsewhere. So especially when it comes to like snack foods, organic moringa, moringa. Green smoothie. Oh, with plant protein. Nice. Chocolate peanut butter, 8 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, 1 cup of leafy greens per serving. The smoothie mix. And this is by a brand called Koli, nourishing you and nourishing the world. I like that. It's organic, vegan, and gluten-free. Serving size is 1 container, 1 packet. Calories 80, total fat 2. Cholesterol 0, sodium 230, carbs 9, so still not bad, especially since it's supposed to be a meal replacement. Dietary 4, total sugars 1, protein 8. Consult a physician before consuming if you are pregnant. To add the liquid of your choice, mix it, blend it, shake it. KoliFoods.com. And it does contain peanuts. There's a little thing right there. Those I find them very intriguing, so I always like to look at the ingredients and make sure that we're getting the right nutrients for our bodies. Holiday cheer. Sweet Smith Candy Company gingerbread peanut brittle made candy with soul. Gingerbread peanut brittle. There's nothing like curling up by a crackling fire. Oh, that sounds so nice. Your favorite chair with a hot festive drink in one hand and a gingerbread peanut brittle in the other. Romance novel is not included. Again, I like that. I like the little quips they have. Crunch, munch, and be merry, melt in your mouth. Peanuts made on equipment that processes peanuts, soy, and dairy. You have to be very careful, and you definitely need to read the packaging, because if, say, you have an allergy to dairy, I know that they have to tell you that this plant or the manufacturer also uses their same site to process things that have dairy or animal products in there, especially when it comes to any sort of allergies. But if it's using the same equipment that processes dairy, dairy is not vegan. All right. Well, let's go ahead and continue reading. So this, nope. Sorry. Even though you had great advertisement, can't use you. 360, sodium 190, carbs 48. Jesus, that's like half a day. God. Protein 4. And with that, I'm just gonna toss it aside. Let's pick it up. Let's wrap it out really good. Yes, we only have 2 more things left. I'm gonna go ahead and put the box aside. Let's start with this guy here. This is Avellina Selecta Oatmeal Cinnamon. Gluten-free, instant, no added sugar, non-GMO, and heart healthy. Stored in a cool and dry place. The recipe here on the side, but let's go ahead and go to the nutritional facts. Calories are 140, serving size is a 1/2 cup dry. Total fat is 3 grams, carbs 27, and protein 5. Available at Amazon.com/Avellina. So this one's gonna be, it looks like online only at this time. So they're not carried in big box stores. Add 1 cup of hot or cold milk or water, yogurt, and mix it up. For creamier mix, add less milk or water. Ingredients: gluten-free instant rolled oats cinnamon powder. That's it. Cool. So this we're good with, but not least. This one is Toasty. Simple and true. Chia seeds, flax seeds, cashews, super bites. Plant-based protein with fiber and omega-3s. Ingredients: organic cashews, organic golden flax seeds, organic white sesame seeds, organic chia seeds, organic evaporated cane sugar, organic cassava syrup, and sea salt. Contains tree nuts. For allergen advice, see ingredients in bold. Produced in facility that uses peanuts and other tree nuts. Serving size is 1 bar. Calories 135. Total fat 10. Saturated fat 1. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 55. Total carb 10. Dietary fiber 3. Total sugars 4. Protein 5. Among other things. And they have Toasty.com, and it looks like they have all of their social media links: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And then the at Toasty Health. Their customer service phone number, their email, and their actual mailing address here in the lower bottom. So that's very nice. I really like this. And I do like in this package, let me go ahead and see if I can slide it. There we go. You actually see the bar. Like that it's handheld, it's very nice. It does look like it could get a little messy just because it does have all those seeds. So, you know, you bite into it, you could have some fallout there. But that concludes the box. So would I recommend this box? Absolutely. I had 2 subscriptions. I think one was monthly and one was an annual. I went ahead and did the monthly, and I believe off the top of my head it was about $22 a month. They look like it's winners. Again, one of them was really close to the expiration date, so it kind of made me a little. I will let them know about that. So if you like this unboxing and review, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the like button as well and help a sister out. Alright guys, take care, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to let your inner beauty shine. Take care guys, bye-bye.